hot morphs. You want to see some of my favorites? Excavator! Dog! Triceratops! Ice cream cone! A flying horse! Monster truck! Dragon! And a super fast race car! Morphle can even morph from a race car into an airplane! I love my Magic Pet Morphle!